In this video I will show you how to easily send money from Canada to Nepal. So the best way to do this in my opinion is by using Remitly, because Remitly has a no fees on your first transfer offer and they are very cheap overall. I am not sponsored by Remitly and I don't have an affiliate link, but I just think it's one of the best ways to do this. So just go to the remitly.com website, then choose where you are sending it from. So here of course you want to select Canada. Then where you are sending it to, you want to type in Nepal. So make sure this says sending from Canada and sending to Nepal. Then click on get started. Now here you can see the conversion rate. So you can see for $1 Canadian you get about 97 rupees. So then just click on send now. Now you will need to create your account, or if you already have an account, click on sign in. So I will sign in. So then after creating your account, you will come in this screen right here. So here you can choose how many Canadian dollars you are sending, or you can choose how many rupees they receive. So for example, if you want to choose 100 Canadian dollars, then you will be sending this much rupees. Then you want to select a delivery method. So there's a few different ways. They have the fee-free transfer, so you can choose mobile money and bank deposit, and you can do a cash pickup. So then there is a standard fee of 4 Canadian dollars. So I will do a bank deposit. Now you can select a payment method for you, so for example debit or credit card or a bank account. So as you can see, debit or credit card is the fastest way, so I'll just keep it to debit or credit card. Now as you can see, the money will be delivered in 30 minutes in this specific method, and there is a fee of 0% for your first transfer. So then click continue. And here you can choose the bank that you want to deposit the money into. So select the bank of the person that you are sending the money to. So for example, if they are using the NIC Asia Bank, then you want to select that one. Then enter their account number and all the other details that they ask for. And then just enter your payment method, so your credit or debit card or your bank account. And then after paying, they will receive the money in 30 minutes when choosing the same methods that I chose. So that's how to send money from Canada to Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.